Have you ever looked at other people and thought, they are moving forward, but I am still here?
Like your friends are learning faster, speaking better English, or getting better jobs, and you feel slow.
Yes, that feeling is real.
Sometimes you smile outside, but inside you feel sad.
Maybe you feel late.
Maybe you feel slow,
Maybe you feel left behind.
and that can hurt.
If you feel this way, this episode is for you.
Today, we will talk about this feeling in simple English.
We will learn useful sentences like, I feel left behind, I am trying my best, and I need more time.
And don't worry, you do not need perfect English,
You only need simple words.
and a little courage.
Welcome back to Learn English with us.
I'm Adam,
And I'm Sara.
and this is Beginner English Conversations.
Today's topic is, do you feel left behind?
Sara, this topic feels personal
Yes, it does.
because many people feel this, but they do not always say it.
True. They may say, I am okay.
But inside, they feel worried.
They look at other people and think, everyone is ahead of me.
Ahead means in front, right?
Yes, if someone is ahead of you, they are moving faster or doing more.
So everyone is ahead of me means I feel behind.
Exactly.
I have felt that before.
Me too.
Sometimes I see someone speaking English very fast, and I think, wow, I am still learning basic words.
That is very common.
It can make you feel small.
But here is the truth. Feeling behind does not mean you are failing.
That is important.
It only means you are comparing yourself too much.
Compare means to look at yourself and another person.
Yes. For example, I compare my English with my friend's English.
I compare my English with my friend's English.
Good sentence.
But too much comparing is not good.
Exactly. It can make you feel sad.
So what should learners say?
The first useful sentence is, I feel left behind.
I feel left behind.
This means you feel other people are moving forward, but you are not moving fast enough.
Let me try. I feel left behind because my friends speak English better than me.
Very natural.
It sounds honest.
Yes, English is not only for happy feelings.
English is also for real feelings.
Exactly.
Can we say, I feel behind?
Yes, I feel behind is also correct.
I feel behind.
Good.
Which one is better?
I feel left behind sounds more emotional.
And I feel behind is shorter.
Yes, both are useful.
Nice. Simple options are good for beginners.
Now let's add a reason.
Okay.
I feel left behind because I am still learning.
I feel left behind because I am still learning.
Good.
I feel behind because English is hard for me.
Very good.
I feel behind because others are moving faster.
Excellent.
These sentences are simple, but real.
Yes, and they help you explain your feeling.
Sara, can we say something kind after that?
Yes, this is very important.
Because when I feel behind, I say bad things to myself.
Many people do that.
They say, I am too slow,
Or, I am not good enough.
or I will never speak English well.
But those sentences hurt you.
True.
So let's learn better sentences.
Good. I need better sentences.
First, I am still learning.
I am still learning.
Very good.
This sentence feels gentle.
Yes, it reminds you that learning takes time.
Second sentence,
I am trying my best.
I am trying my best.
Good.
I am trying my best with English.
Perfect.
That sounds much better than I am bad at English.
Yes. Don't say, I am bad at English.
Say, I am still learning.
Exactly.
What is another sentence?
I need more time.
I need more time.
Good. This sentence is honest and simple.
I need more time to learn English.
Perfect.
That feels peaceful.
Yes. You do not need to rush.
Rush means go very fast.
Yes. To rush means to hurry.
So I do not need to rush.
Correct.
I can learn slowly.
Yes. Slowly is okay.
Slowly is okay.
Beautiful.
I like that sentence.
Now let's practice a small conversation.
Great.
Imagine you are talking to a friend.
Okay. I feel sad today.
I say, Adam, are you okay?
Not really. I feel left behind.
Why do you feel that way?
My friends speak English better than me.
I understand, but you are still learning.
Yes. I am trying my best.
That is good. You do not need to be perfect.
I know. I just need more time.
Exactly. Take your time.
Thank you. I feel better now.
That was a very simple conversation.
And very useful.
Yes, you can use this in real life,
With a friend,
with a teacher.
or even with yourself.
Exactly.
Sometimes we need to speak kindly to ourselves.
Very true.
Like, I am learning.
Yes.
I am improving.
Good.
I am not late.
Beautiful sentence.
I am not late.
Say it again.
I am not late.
Good. You are not late.
I needed that.
Many learners need that.
Because they think, I should already speak English.
Yes, but every person learns at a different speed.
Different speed means different time,
Yes. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slowly.
and slow is still okay.
Exactly.
Slow English is still English.
Very good.
Slow English is still English.
That is a strong sentence.
Can learners use it?
Yes. Please remember it.
Slow English is still English.
Now let's talk about social media.
Ah, the place where everyone looks perfect.
Yes. Social media can make you feel behind.
You see someone with a new job,
Someone with perfect English.
someone traveling,
Someone looking happy all the time.
and you think, my life is not like that.
But social media is not the full story.
That is true.
You only see one small part of someone's life.
Not the whole life.
Exactly.
So we can say, social media is not real life.
Very good.
Social media is not real life.
Another useful sentence is, I will learn at my own speed.
I will learn at my own speed.
Own speed means your speed.
Not my friend's speed.
Right.
Not social media speed.
Right.
My own speed.
Exactly.
I will learn at my own speed.
Perfect.
That sentence feels calm,
Yes. And learning needs calm energy.
not panic energy. Panic energy is not good for English.
No, it is not.
Now, can we practice another conversation?
Yes. This time, you feel behind because of social media.
Okay.
Adam, why do you look sad?
I saw my friend's video. He speaks English very well now.
How do you feel?
I feel left behind.
I understand. But remember, you do not know his full story.
That is true.
Maybe he practiced for many years,
Yes,
and you are also learning.
I am trying my best.
Good. Learn at your own speed.
I will learn at my own speed.
Excellent.
I feel better now.
Good.
Also, I will close social media for a while
That is a smart idea.
and maybe drink tea,
Tea helps many problems.
especially English problems.
Maybe.
Okay, Sara, what are the main tips for today?
Tip number 1. Do not compare too much.
Compare less. Learn more.
Exactly.
Tip number 2,
Make small goals.
like what?
Today, I will speak 5 English sentences.
Today, I will speak 5 English sentences.
Good.
Or, today, I will learn 3 new words.
Excellent.
Small goals feel possible.
Yes. Small goals build confidence.
Tip number 3,
Be kind to yourself.
that one is important.
Say, I am learning.
I am learning.
Say, I am improving.
I am improving.
Say, I am not late.
I am not late.
Beautiful.
These words feel simple, but strong.
Yes. Simple English can still be powerful.
Can we do final practice?
Yes. Let's do a full natural conversation.
Great.
Hey, Adam, are you okay?
Not really. I feel left behind.
Why do you feel that way?
My friends are improving faster than me.
I understand, but you are still learning.
Yes. I am trying my best.
That is important. You do not need to be perfect.
I know, but sometimes I feel slow.
Slow is okay. You are still moving.
I am slow, but I am moving.
Exactly. What can you do today?
Today, I will practice 5 English sentences,
Great goal.
and I will not compare myself too much.
Perfect.
I will learn at my own speed.
Beautiful. How do you feel now?
I feel better. I feel calm.
Good. Keep going step by step.
Thank you, Sara.
That conversation was simple and real.
And I used beginner English.
Yes. Simple English can talk about deep feelings.
That is powerful.
Before we finish, let's review the most useful sentences.
Number 1, I feel left behind.
Number 2, I feel behind in English.
Number 3, I am still learning.
Number 4, I am trying my best.
Number 5, I need more time.
Number 6, slowly is okay.
Number 7, slow English is still English.
Number 8, I will learn at my own speed.
Number 9, I do not need to compare myself.
Number 10, I am not late.
These 10 sentences are your practice for today.
Say them out loud.
Say them slowly.
Say them with feeling.
And remember, you are not behind forever.
You are learning.
You are growing.
You are moving.
One small step is still progress.
Everyone, thank you for joining us in this episode of Learn English with Us.
Today, we talked about feeling left behind.
You learned simple English sentences for this feeling.
You also learned how to be kinder to yourself.
After this episode, write one sentence in the comments.
Write, I will learn at my own speed.
Or write, I am slow, but I am moving.
Both answers are great.
And remember, your English does not need to be perfect.
Your English needs practice.
Your voice matters.
Your journey matters.
Keep learning
Keep speaking.
and keep going step by step.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.